Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, a one-step solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bounty Hunter's Immortal weapon, Tines of Tybara in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then go to Armory, and under the Filter Hero list, search for Bounty Hunter. Like so, and then click on Weapons and search for Tines of Tybara, which is right over here. Click on this I button to preview the set. As you can see, it is going to change the visual effect for Jinara Bounty Hunter's second spell. So to buy this item, all you need to do is click on this green button right here, which will take you to the Steam market. Now scroll down and then click on Buy button right here and follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Cease. Happy gaming!